right, you're supposed to put them on the board. Nice run, Ian. Make sure you pick up a packet and read the board.
I love the way that some of you guys are coming in. We have all your questions.
I know, it's just like
Thank you, those of you who are following directions. Good job, guys. They're on your table, buddy. Once you have them done, go ahead and stick them up on the board.
Did it.
Good job.
Yeah.
what packet?
It's on the back counter. It's sitting there screaming. The board.
Awesome. Good job, guys. Once you put them up, you can start looking through your packet to see what we're doing today. I'm seeing some good definitions. Good job, guys.
Thank you.
You have to write her name on it.
Nope, doesn't matter. Put it on up there. Is up there, Tyler? No, not yet.
Wait, what are we?
Yeah.
Guys, there are very clear instructions on the board. You should be following those. You need to make sure that you are being very respectful to Mr. L.
Good job. Great. Thank you, Robert. Nope. Once you finish, you can start looking through your packet to see what we're doing today, just to get you a heads up. All right. Okay, so as you guys are finishing that up today, we are working more with independent and dependent variables, which you guys have already been learning a lot about, right? Right? All right, so today I want you to be able to show me all the things that you have learned about them. We're going to be doing a lab, and I want you guys to be able to identify the independent, dependent, and control variables, and also make a graph. But we know how to do that, right?
Yeah.
We've done that before. All right, so first, we're going to start with a little game. I need two people who want to play a game. Get me, yep, right here. And, okay. Which one do you want the ball? All right, you hold this. All right, so today we are going to be, if you've been looking through your packet, we're going to be experimenting with different kinds of balls, okay? So we know that a tennis ball can bounce pretty good, right? All right, so here's the game. We're going to give you 3 tries. You just hold the bucket like that. You get 3 tries to try to bounce it into the bucket. All right, you think you can do it? All right, go ahead. Whoa, a little too hard. All right, try again. Try number 2. Oh, there you go. All right, go ahead. Oh, that was close. All right, last try. Good try. All right, who else wants to try? Robert, come on up. Yeah, I need a different folder. Nevaeh, come on up. There you go. All right, Nevaeh. All right, Robbie, you think you can get it? How many tries is it going to take you? 2. All right, let's see it. Oh, too strong. Try again. Well. All right, you said you're going to get it in 2. Whoa, sorry, one more try. Oh, that was pretty close. All right. Now we're going to switch. Thank you, Nevaeh. We're going to switch to a different kind of ball. Does anybody want to guess what kind of ball we're going to use next? Just yell it out.
Ping pong.
I heard ping pong ball. That's what we're going to use. All right, I need 2 more people. 1 and 2. Yep. Come on up. And this time, ping pong ball is the smallest, so we're going to use an even smaller jar. All right, so which one of you guys wants to throw? All right, you get to hold. All right, how many tries is it going to take you? You don't really know. All right, go ahead, give it a try. All right, might have to throw it a little harder. Try again. Whoa, that was close. All right, last try. Oh, I made it. All right, pretty good. All right, I need 2 more people to try. Last one. Michael and yes, I knew that. All right. All right. Go ahead. Oh, that was pretty close. Oh, someone grab the ball. Almost, Michael. All right, try number 2. Is he gonna get it? I think so. That was pretty close. All right, last try. Oh, hit you right in the face. Last try. All right, come on, we can do it. Oh, so close. All right. So as you can see, thank you guys. Give them a round of applause, everybody. Good job. As we can see, ping pong balls and tennis balls bounce pretty good, right? Right? But they bounce a little differently, don't they? So today we are going to be doing an experiment, and we want to figure out 2 things. All right. The first thing we want to find out is, does the height that you drop a ball at, when that changes, does it affect how high it bounces? So if I hold it up here, will it bounce differently from if I hold it down here?
Yes.
That's all right, well, we're going to find out. The other thing we want to find out is which one of them bounces higher, a tennis ball or a ping pong ball when we just drop them. Okay? So those are the 2 things we want to figure out today. So if you look in your lab packet, everybody look at the front. All right? Here's the experiment we're going to be doing. It's all outlined in there. So just follow the directions. You should be fine. But we're going to practice it anyway. All right? I need someone to come up and help me. Braden, come on up. All right.
Go Braden.
Braden, so you're going to hold this. Okay? Actually, no, I'll hold it. You use the tennis ball. Okay, so here's the experiment. You're going to line it up with 100 centimeters. So where's 100 centimeters on this? It's right at the top, right? 100 centimeters is 1 meter, right? Right?
Yes.
There we go. All right. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to line it up so the bottom of the ball is lined up with 100 centimeters, okay? Don't make it touch, but just line it up. Does that look pretty good, Allie? Tyler, looks good?
Yep.
All right. And then, here, I'll hold it now. All right. Stand over here, Braden. All right. I'm going to drop the ball, and you need to observe how high it bounces. All right? So watch really closely. Maybe crouch down a little. There you go. All right. Everybody else watch. Am I lined up with 100 centimeters?
No. A little bit down.
A little lower? Am I good, Braden? All right. Ready? Observe. All right. About how high did it bounce? 61. All right. Here, I want you to watch now. Okay, ready? Am I lined up good?
Yep.
All right. Watch where the bottom of the ball bounces to. About 62? Okay. So that's the experiment you're going to do. And you have a bunch of different heights to drop it from, right? You have 100, 80, 60, 40, and 20. You guys see that?
Yeah.
Excellent. So you need to do multiple trials for each of them with your partner. Okay, you're going to just be working with your shoulder partner. And then you need to record all of the heights that they bounce and figure out the average. And then flip the page. Yeah, you're good. Thank you, Brady. Sit down. Then you are going to answer a few questions about the variables. You guys know all about that by now. And then you're going to make a graph of your data, okay? Now here's the fun part. Half of you are going to be doing it with a tennis ball. Half of you are doing it with a ping pong ball. Do you guys see the piece of tape on your desk? It has either a T or a P on it. Okay, if it is a T, you and your partner use a tennis ball. If it has a P, you and your partner use a ping pong ball. Got it?
Allie, I'll have you start in
Thanks.
Yeah.
You guys can just pick that. Show one. Alright. After you do the full experiment with your ball, you're going to swap data with someone who used the other kind of ball. Okay? And then you're going to put that data onto your graph. It's all in your packet, so when you get there, if you have questions, just ask me, okay? But to start, you and your partner just use one type of ball and do the experiment. Are there any questions? No? Don't be afraid to ask. Your questions? Okay. All right. So, what's the question?
How many centimeters are in?
How many centimeters are in 1 inch?
Wait, no. How many inches are in 1 centimeter?
Well, centimeter is smaller than an inch. I don't know exactly, but maybe we'll look that up later. Yeah.
So what if it bounces higher
Then the meter stick? I'd be pretty interested if it did that. Yeah, so that's a good point. You're not going to throw the ball down, you just drop it. Because if you throw it, that changes it, okay? So just drop it out of your hand. Any more questions? No? Okay, if you're ready, one of your partners come up and get a meter stick. They're all piled up over here, and then you get the correct type of ball out of them. All right?